Hello, good day everyone. My name is JP and I'll be presenting to you PlayStation System Software. Is PlayStation a system software? So let's find out. The PlayStation Network is an online service with about 110 million registered users as of June 2013 and over 103 million active users monthly as of December 2019. It compromises an online virtual market, the PlayStation Store, which allows the purchase and download of games and various forms of multimedia, a subscription based online service known as PlayStation Plus, and social gaming networking, the service called PlayStation Home, which had over 41 million users worldwide at the time of its closure in March 2015. PlayStation Mobile is a software framework that provides PlayStation content on mobile devices. PlayStation Network is a digital media entertainment service provided by Sony Interactive Entertainment, launched in November 2006. PSN was originally conceived for the PlayStation video game consoles, but soon extended to encompass smartphones, tablets, Blu-ray players, and high-definition televisions. This service is the account for PlayStation consoles. Account can store games and other content. PlayStation Store. It is also a digital media store available to users of Sony's PlayStation 3, PlayStation Vita, PlayStation 4, and PlayStation 5 game consoles via the PlayStation Network. PlayStation Home was a virtual 3D social gaming platform developed by Sony Computer Entertainment's London studio for the PlayStation 3, or what we called as PS3, on the PlayStation Network. It was accessible from the PS3's Extras Media Bar, or the XMB. Membership was free but required a PSN account. Upon installation, users could choose how much hard disk space they wish to reserve for home. Development of the service began in early 2005 and it launched as an open beta on December 11, 2008. PlayStation Mobile. PlayStation Mobile was a software framework used to provide downloadable PlayStation content for devices that meet PlayStation certified requirements. This includes devices that both run Android 2.3 and met specific hardware requirements. PlayStation Vita and PlayStation TV. PlayStation Mobile was based on mono platform. So let's talk about the PlayStation 1 system software. The PlayStation, commonly known as the PS1 or its codename PSX, is a home video game console developed and marketed by Sony Computer Entertainment. It was released on December 3, 1994 in Japan, September 9, 1995 in North America, September 29, 1995 in Europe, and November 15, 1995 in Australia. As a fifth generation console, the PlayStation primarily contented with the Nintendo 64 and the Sega Saturn. Sony began developing the PlayStation after a failed venture with a Nintendo to create a CD-ROM peripheral for the Super Nintendo Entertainment System in the early 1990s. The console was primarily designed by Ken Katuragi and Sony Computer Entertainment in Japan, while additional development was outsourced in United Kingdom. The PlayStation signaled Sony's rise to power in the video game industry. It received acclaim and sold strongly. In less than a decade, it became the first computer entertainment platform to ship over 100 million units in the world. Its use of compact discs heralded the game industry transition from cartridges. Its functionality, in addition to playing games, most PlayStation models are equipped to play audio CDs. The Asian model can also play video CDs like most CD players. The PlayStation can play songs in a program order, shuffle the playback order of the disc, and repeat one song or the entire disc. Later, PlayStation models are used in a music visualization function called Sound Scope. This function, as well as the memory card manager, is accessed by starting the console without earlier inserting a game or closing the CD tray, thereby accessing a graphical user interface or the GUI for the PlayStation BIOS. PlayStation 2 system software. The PlayStation 2 is another home video console developed and marketed by Sony Computer Entertainment. The PlayStation 2 main central processing unit (CPU) is the 128-bit R5 900 based emotional engine, custom designed by Sony and Toshiba. The PlayStation 2 users has the option to play select games over the internet using dial-pad or a broadband internet. Controllers. The PlayStation 2's DualShock 2 controllers retain most of the same functionality as its predecessor. However, it includes analog pressure sensitivity to over 100 individual levels of depth on the face, shoulder, and D-pad buttons, replacing the digital buttons of the original like its predecessor. The DualShock controller has force feedback or vibration functionality. It is lighter and includes two more levels of vibrations. PlayStation 3. PlayStation 3 is a system software, the updatable firmware and operating system of the PlayStation 3, the base operating system used by Sony for the PlayStation 3 is a fork of both FreeBSD and NetBSD called CellOS. It uses Xcross Media Bar as its graphical shell. The process of updating is almost identical to that of the PlayStation Portable, PlayStation Vita, and PlayStation 4, and the software may be updated by downloading the update directly on the PlayStation 3, downloading it from the user's local official station website to a personal computer, and using a USB storage device to transfer it to the PlayStation 3. Or you can also install the update from game disk containing the update data. The initial slim PS3's SKU shipped with unique firmware with new features, also seen in Software 3.00. The native operating system of the PlayStation 3 is CellOS, which is believed to be a fork FreeBSD. TCP/IP stack fingerprinting identifies a PlayStation 3 as a running FreeBSD, and the PlayStation 3 is known to contain code from FreeBSD and NetBSD. PlayStation Portable System Software. The PlayStation Portable System Software is the official firmware for the PlayStation Portable. It uses the Expert Media Bar also as its user interface, similar to the PlayStation 3. Updates add new functionality as well as security patches to prevent unsigned code from being executed from the system. While system software updates can be used with consoles from any region, Sony recommends only downloading system software updates released for the region corresponding to the system's place of purchase. System software updates have added various features, including the web browser, Adobe Flash Player 6 support, additional codecs for images, audio and video, PlayStation 3 connectivity, as well as patches, again, several security exploit vulnerabilities, and execution of how homebrew programs. PlayStation 4. The native operating system of the PlayStation 4 is the Orbis OS, which is fork of FreeBSD version 9.0, which was released on January 12, 2012. The PlayStation 4 features two graphics APIs and a low-level API named GNM and a high-level API named GNMX. Most developers start with the GNMX, which wraps around GNM, when in turn manages the more esoteric GPU details. This can be familiar way to work if the developers are using or used to platforms like Direct3D 12. PlayStation 5. The PlayStation 5 is another home video console developed by Sony Interactive Entertainment that was announced last 2019 as the successor of the PlayStation 4. The PS5 was released on November 12, 2020 in some countries. The PS5 also is a part of the ninth generation of video game consoles along with Microsoft Xbox Series X and Series S consoles, which were released in the same month. The PlayStation 5 is powered by a custom system on a chip COC designed in tandem by AMD and Sony, integrating a custom 7nm AMD Zen 2 CPU with 8 cores running at a variable frequency capped at 3.5 GHz. The integrated the integrated GPU is also a custom unit based on AMD's RNDNA2 graphic architecture. The PlayStation Vita System Software. The PlayStation Vita System Software is the official firmware and operating system for the PlayStation Vita and PlayStation TV video game consoles. It uses a live area as its graphical show. The PlayStation Vita system software has one optional add-on component, the PlayStation Mobile Runtime Package. The system is built on the Unix base, which is derived from FreeBSD and NetBSD. The user interface. The live area is the name of a graphical user interface of the PlayStation Vita system software developed by Sony Computer Entertainment. The interface features a new touch-based screen and acts like a hub page and allows user to hop between different parts of the game space. The 8th generation PlayStation, Vita, and PlayStation TV consoles use a live area as a graphical shell instead of previous Xcos Media Bar interface, which was used by Sony's 7th generation video game consoles such as PlayStation Portable and PlayStation 3. The PlayStation 4 Sony 8th generation home video game console, however, uses neither live area nor Xcos Media Bar as its graphical show, but rather utilizes a user interface called PlayStation Dynamic Menu. Thank you for your time for watching this short presentation. Once again, this is JP from BSOA